Okay guys, hi everybody. Today we're going to look at this 1024 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit in 17 residents. Alright, this is a partially furnished unit. So let's just go straight to the video. First thing that you will notice is that when you come in, you have a very long living room. Alright, this is where the dining hall is. Put a dining table here. The unit comes with a round dining table and 4 chairs, okay, for 4 person. Then you go further down here, this is actually the living area. So the owner has actually bought a 3+2 sofa set with an accompanying coffee table and also a TV console. Alright, so it doesn't come with a TV, but if you want, you can put your TV and stand up, 2 legs in the middle here. Yeah, so the next thing you will notice is that the unit comes with a railing in the middle there with partition and also 2 full-length curtains. Yeah, and then this thing here is actually a double glazed window. When you open, then you can see outside. So now we are at the balcony. We are looking, this is a place to hang the clothes. Alright. So in front of us here is actually Taman Ton. Yeah, this side is Damansara. In front here, the green thing is the golf course, KLGCC. Behind of us there, that tall buildings are all Mount Kiara, and then KL is this side. Alright, so just before we go, this is how it looks like at the bottom. If you come at night, it'll all be dark and orange, street lights. Yeah, so it's a train now there, and that's the train station. Alright, that is Tamanton train station. So, okay, let's go. So when you turn the camera around, looking inwards, this is what you see. This is the living room. Yeah, and then next you have the dining table. All the way behind there is actually the kitchen. So this unit, the kitchen is actually enclosed. Yeah. On the left, this is the place to put the fridge. You need to come with the fridge. Then you have the built-in kitchen cabinets with a 3-piece induction cooker and also a 2-piece sink. Alright. Outside here, this is the yard. It comes with a washing machine, and we are quite high up, so you can see the sunlight is coming in. And the last thing that the owner have installed is actually blinds. Yeah. Why do they install a blind? Well, so you don't want people to see you. Privacy purposes. Alright. Yeah. Good. Okay, so now let's go and see the rooms. First room facing the front is actually the master bedroom. It comes with a queen size 1 feet mattress with a divan and also a headboard, yeah, grey in color, and also a single layer curtain. Yeah. On this side you have a simple makeup table and a multi-shelf, yeah, without a chair. So attached to the room is also a built-in wardrobe. Yeah, ample space to keep all your things. Yeah, alright. Okay, and lastly, you have the toilet. Straightforward, sink, toilet bowl, and also a shower with a shower screen. The water heater is on top there already. Yeah, okay. So, let's go. Now, we're going to look at the second room. I'm going to on the light a little bit. Alright, second room comes with a single bed and a bed frame, and also a blinds. Yeah, straightforward. There is no wardrobe. Yeah, all the room comes with aircon. They're all above the door, and also for the living room, the 2 horsepower aircon on top. Okay, so the third room is slightly bigger than the second room. The owner has provided 2 LED lights, quite big. Yeah, aircon, and also single bed with a wooden bed frame, curtains, and also a study table. You have to bring your own chair. All right. So the last thing here is the common bathroom. Okay, same thing, sink, toilet bowl, mirror, shower, but it doesn't have a shower screen. Only the master bedroom has a shower screen. Okay guys, so yeah, that is it. Just one more round, like this, like this, like this. Okay, if you like the unit, just contact us. My name is Jordan, my partner is Lisa, and yeah, excellent. Yeah, just before we go, just like to show you, the unit actually have a grill, yeah, so added security. Alright. Okay guys, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.